Hi QC engineers, welcome to Testing Labs A to Z. So this is login functionality checking for Python robot framework in automation testing. The scenario is robot framework for login testing using the Selenium library. So it includes test cases for successful login, invalid credentials and missing credentials. Python code. We had the code for library, Selenium library we are importing in the settings, and the variables we are going to handle is URL, browser, username, password, invalid user and invalid password. So we have specific fields for that. Here the URL we are given the example.com/login. You can change this to your own URL. And browser we have chosen Chrome, and the username is test user and the password is password123, and the invalid user is invalid user and invalid password is wrong password. Case starts. So valid login test. So open the browser using the URL and the browser in the particular browser mentioned, and input text is name is equal to username. So the username which is mentioned in the previous screen as username, and the input text as name equal to password. That the password we have mentioned will be come here, and once click the button login button, so it will be waiting for the page content is welcome screen, and it will be timeout after 5 seconds and the browser closes. Invalid login test. So this is another test case. So we need to open the browser using the particular browser which we mentioned with the URL we have given, and we are inputting two text here. One is username and password, and the username is invalid user and the password is invalid pass. And when we click on the login button, it will be waiting for the page to contain showing invalid credentials and timeout after 5 seconds and closes the browser. This is for the invalid login test. Empty field test. So you have to open the browser, the URL and browser. Instead of giving anything in the fields of the username and password, we are just directly click on the login button, and it will be showing the page contents. Please enter username and password. And after receiving this message, it will be timeout after 5 seconds. This is for the empty field test. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe Testing Labs A to Z.